Norwex is leading the way in the clean, green revolution, reducing chemicals in the home with superior microfiber and water alone. So what exactly is microfiber, and why is it so great for cleaning? The short answer? Microfiber is a blend of ultra-thin polyester and nylon fibers. This makes microfiber infinitely better for picking up debris than an average cotton rag. Now, there's microfiber, and then there's Norwex microfiber. The difference starts with the exceedingly fine nature of our fibers. Each Norwex microfiber is 1/200th the size of a human hair, versus 1/6 in common microfiber. It's like comparing the quality of a 50 thread count bedsheet to a 500 thread count luxury linen. Just check out this common microfiber cloth held to a light. It's so thin you can see right through it. Compare that with a Norwex microfiber cloth. The extra heft in Norwex microfiber translates to an incredibly effective, super dense cleaning tool. So dense, it collects even minute particles of dust and dirt, removing up to 99% of bacteria from a surface with water alone. And so dense, it can hold up to 7 times its weight in liquid, perfect for wiping up spills. Another Norwex standout, our exclusive BacLock technology, a powerful microsilver agent inhibiting mold, fungus, and bacterial odors so you can use it again and again before laundering. Norwex microfiber, a clean home, a clean conscience.